Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore typography shadows using After Effects layer styles, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project. Import your typography design into the project. Drag the typography layer onto the timeline. Select the typography layer to make it active. Go to the layer menu at the top. Select layer styles from the drop-down options. Choose Drop Shadow to apply a shadow effect. Adjust the parameters in the drop shadow settings. Set the opacity to control the visibility of the shadow. Modify the distance to determine how far the shadow will appear from the text. Adjust the spread to change the size of the shadow. Alter the size to give the shadow a softer or sharper look. Change the color of the shadow by selecting the color box in the settings. Experiment with different shadow colors that complement your typography design. Preview the changes by scrubbing through the timeline. If necessary, refine the parameters until you achieve the desired effect. Consider adding more layer styles like inner shadow or outer glow for additional depth. Once satisfied, render your composition by going to the File menu. Select Export and choose Add to Render Queue. Set your preferred output settings. Finally, click Render to export your restored typography shadows. Your project is now complete, showcasing your typography with enhanced shadows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step